Good morning everybody. I am out here at the Sugarland River. Me and my cousin Jonathan are about ready to go do some smallmouth fishing and maybe nab some steelhead. We just talked to a gentleman who said he saw some steelhead out here, so maybe we'll get lucky and nab those. And along the way, I'll make sure I show you what type of baits we're using to nab these steelhead if we catch one, and smallmouth bass if we catch those. So stay tuned. You were saying you didn't care if you look like a nerd?
Nerd!
You're the rock fanny pack?
Yeah, I'm a chest.
Got one. Good. Woohoo! Big smallie. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. So I used the copper color hellgrammite on this one. You can see here it's a good smallie, good smallmouth bass right there.
How do you, I don't know how to reel in with these things. Do you just cast out and reel, or?
Yeah, it's my smallie. I gotta let them go here. There's bigger ones out there. I've seen them.
I want to see what the thing is.
Okay. Well, as you can see, we left Sugarland River and came here to the Grand River Dam right here, and so far we're killing it. I've been using hellgrammites, the copper tone color hellgrammites, and paddle tails, and have been doing pretty good, catching some pretty decent sized smallmouth bass and a few rock bass. So yeah, it's been going great. Oh shoot, I have a fish. Rock bass. Get him? Little rock bass. Got a rock bass. There's rock bass. Oh, okay. I'm gonna let him go. Another one. Looks like another rock bass on the hellgrammite. Rock bass. Another rock bass. He is. Little guy, but I'll take him. Got one. Another rock bass. Another rock bass. Yeah, you got one. Little guy. Little rock bass. About time. There he goes. will be a good smallie. That's a little smallie. Went over to the paddle tail. A nice smallie. I'm getting bites left and right when I switch over this paddle tail. Here we go. Got another one. Switch to the paddle tail. Another smallie. Paddle tail's working great right now. That's 5 casts, 3 fish. He just got one. Got one. This is a decent one. This is a decent one. You got your net? Holy cow, this is a decent one. Oh, do you see the freaking size of that one? Holy cow.
Like that?
That's 4. Come on. I think I got this one. Paddle tail's working. Yeah, this is a good. It's a good hook, and it just hooked me. There you go. Got him. On a nice. I love the camouflage on them.
I know.
Oh, sorry.
They're really nice. Give your clippers. I can't get this thing from the knife.
Okay, yeah, I got a steelhead. Yeah, got a steelhead. A snag, but
Where the heck is it going? You're gonna break your rod.
oh my gosh,
It's a steelhead. Come here.
yeah.
That is
Oh, that's a moon eye.
What the heck is that thing?
That's a moon eye.
What is a moon eye?
The big giant shad. Besides, it's snagged, right?
Yeah.
Isn't that illegal,
Yeah, technically.
Mr. Officer?
It's deep in my pocket.
Yeah, it's a shad. It's just a giant shad. Look at that. Great catfish bait. In my net. Paddle tail.
Just cast out and reel in with it.
Huh? Yep.
You got any more?
Yep. I sure do.
I like their eyes. Their eyes are sweet.
These private eyes, they're watching you. There we go. Got another one. Okay, come on. It's a good one. This is a good one. Keep them. Come on, stay on. Stay on. Stay on there. Got him. He's mine. Yeah. Woohoo! Back into the water you go. Catch you later, buddy. Yeah, look at that one. Woohoo! So I switched baits over to a goby. Those of you from Ohio, you know what Cleveland, Ohio, you know what a goby is. And first cast got me another rock bass.